Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to answer 20 most important MCQs for class 9th, Civics Chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? Let's start. Question 1. Dash is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. And the options are A. Dictatorship, B. Non-democratic government, C. Monarchy, D. Democracy. And the right answer is democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Question number 2. Which of these is an example of perfect democracy? Option A, USA, B, UK, C, India, D, none of the above. The right answer is none of the above. Basically, no one country is perfect democracy. One country only works for better governance. We can say that USA is the oldest democracy, whereas India is the largest democracy. But we cannot say which country is a perfect democracy. Question 3. The word democracy comes from the Greek word demokratia, demokratia, demos, kratia. And the right answer is demokratia. The word democracy comes from the Greek word demokratia. Question 4. The head of the government in Nepal is the President, Prime Minister, King, Vice President. And the right answer is President. The head of the government in Nepal is the President. In India, the head of the government is the Prime Minister. But in Nepal, the head of the government is the President. Question 5. Which party always won elections in Mexico since its independence in 1930 until 2000? Options. Option A, Revolutionary Party. Option B, Mexican Revolutionary Party. Option C, Institutional Revolutionary Party. Option D, Institutional Party. The right answer is Institutional Revolutionary Party. Institutional Revolutionary Party always won elections in Mexico since its independence in 1930 until 2000. Question 6. When did Zimbabwe attain independence and form WHO? Option A, 1970 from black minority rule. Option B, 1880 from white minority rule. C, 1980 from Americans. Option D, 1980 from white minority rule. And the right answer is 1980 from white minority rule. In 1980, Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule. Question 7. Which of these features is or are necessary to provide the basic rights to the citizens? Option A. Citizens should be free to think. They should be free to form association. Should be free to raise protest. Option D. All the above. And the right answer is all the above. All the above features are necessary to provide the basic rights to the citizens. Citizens should be free to think. They should be free to form associations. They should be free to raise protest. All these features are necessary to provide the basic rights to the citizen of a country. The most common form that democracy takes in our time is that of limited democracy, representative democracy, maximum democracy. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is representative democracy. Representative democracy is the most common form that democracy takes in our time. When was Mugabe forced out of office? Mugabe was the president of Zimbabwe. Options are 2018, 2017, 2016, 2019. And the right answer is 2017. In 2017, Mugabe, the president of Zimbabwe, forced out of office. Question number 10. Some of the drawbacks of democracy is option A, instability and delays. Option B, corruption and hypocrisy. C, politician fighting among themselves. D, all the above. And the right answer is all the above. All the above, instability and delays, corruption and hypocrisy, politician fighting among themselves are the drawbacks of democracy. Question 11. Democracy improves the quality of decision making because decisions are taken by educated people. Option B. Decisions are taken by consultation and discussion. Option C. Decisions are taken over a long period of time. Option D. All decisions are approved by judiciary. And the right answer is decisions are taken by consultation and long discussion. Democracy improves the quality of decision making because decisions are taken by consultation and long discussion. Question number 12. How many members are elected to the National People's Congress from all over China? Option A, 3,500. Option B, 3,000. Option C, 4,000. Option D, 2,000. And the right answer is 3,000. 3,000 members are elected to the National People's Congress from all over China. Question 13. How are the rulers of Saudi Arabia elected? Option A, by the people. Option B, rule of the army. C, because they happen to be born into the royal family. Option D, none. And the right answer is because they happen to be born into the royal family. The rulers of Saudi Arabia are elected because they happen to be born into the royal family of Saudi Arabia. And the question number 14. In a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with Option A, the official heads. Option B, the monarch. Option C, those elected by the people. Option D, none. And the right answer is those elected by the people. In democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with those elected by the people. Because democracy is a government of people. People choose their leaders. Which country has never been under a military or a dictator's rule? And the options are Cuba, Mexico, India, Nepal. And the right answer is B, Mexico. Mexico has never been under a military or a dictator's rule. Question 16. Democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows change, it allows voting, it allows right to opinion, or it allows us to correct its own mistakes. What is the right answer? The right answer is it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Question number 17. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have Option A, must have one vote. Option B, each vote must have one value. Option C, A and B and D, none. And the right answer is option C, A and B. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Question number 18. Estonia has made its citizenship rules in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get. And the options are A, the economic rights, B, the right to vote, C, right to women's vote, D, all. And the right answer is the right to vote. In Estonia, people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. Estonia has made its citizenship rule in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. Question 19. Mexico holds elections after every dash years to elect its president. And the options are A 5, B 4, C 6, D 3. And the right answer is 6. Mexico holds election after every 6 years to elect its president. What is constitutional law? Option A, provisions given in the Constitution, law to make Constitution, law to set up Constituent Assembly, none of the above. And the right answer is provisions given in the Constitution. All the provisions given in the Constitution is constitutional law. So that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please do like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.